Hey Ground Zero gamers, just wanted to drop a quick video to you. My name's Kyle and I help local businesses get more attention via the search engines. But I wanted to tell you three things that will help your website do better on the search engines. One is content, another is citations, and the last one is backlinks or votes from the search engines that are valued by the search engines. So first of all is on-site content. If I Google gaming computers Sioux Falls, South Dakota, PC Gold comes up first, and and it's on the first page as far as organic search. Like this is a Google My Business listings. They have several of those, and then you also have the organic results here. There's no ads that sometimes show up there this time around here. But PC Gold, notice they have about 150 words on their homepage here. They also, let's see if they did it or not here. They also have named their images custom desktop computers, as well as, let's go here to save image as, computer repair, and then they'll save image as. Look at on-site copy, that's not really helping anything. But they've got two images there that tell the search engine again what they do. So when we go over here, let's look at your site here. First of all, we're going to look at written words. You maybe have 50. So if you added 250, maybe even 1,000, I recommend 1,000 for the websites that I do. But if you added 1,000 words about gaming, about what makes a high quality computer. I got a custom made computer myself from a guy down in Florida, but so it's really cool that you got the transparent edge to it too. But yeah, if you added 1,000 words about what makes a good computer for gaming and why it is, really for gamers, that's going to be obvious, but to Google, you're not coming up right now as an authority on gaming computers. So if you become an authority on gaming computers, you'll start showing up more on the search engine for when you search for gaming computers in Sioux Falls. Just like, and if you go through your images, let's look at what you have in the backside there. That's just a bunch of numbers, really means nothing to the search engine. Versus if you were to save it as gaming computer, I gotta get it into where you can see it below there. There we go. Gaming computer, even putting gaming computer Sioux Falls. Gaming computer Sioux Falls. Then that means something to the search engine, telling them again what this site specializes in, because they don't really know anything. I mean, if we look at, let's see, can we go to what's your logo saved as here? Yeah, GZ plus logo. I mean, GZ doesn't mean anything. Versus if you save it as gaming Ground0gaming, even as your whole business name there, Ground0, can't spell zero anymore, gaming, then you're going to be in a better spot because you're telling Google again what you do. What is this image saved as? I mean, image asset. You get where I'm going with this. So it's on-site content. If you build up your on-site authority selling, okay, this is what makes a good quality gaming computer. This is the RAM that it takes. This is the motherboard. This is the type of airflow that you want. You want front to back airflow. You want this kind of power supply in it, and so forth. I mean, literally just speak out the nerdiness that's in us computer geeks, and you'd be on. That'll assist you in getting on more attention to it. Okay, then we're going to talk about citations for a second, but more of this is your content-driven business. It's not going to be the case. Your citations are what drives this building up here. And now I use a tool called WhiteSpark to show the citations. It costs about $30 a month-ish, something like that. Local, let's see, tools, local citation finder is what I'm after. Try it free. So then we're going to be here. You're going to type in here on Sioux Falls. So that's where you're going to look at. You're going to go into business search first. There's your location. Those pages look the same, but you're going to go here, then you're going to go in, type in your phone number, which I don't think I have from your site. Contact us. Let's look at this here and see if we get a phone number that we can call. Nope, we don't have a phone number, so we're just going to screw citations from this one here. Yeah, so we're going to go straight into backlinks or votes that Google gives you. So PC Gold, the high rating one here, we're going to look mainly at these two metrics here. This tells you how much of the backlinks are, or the votes are coming from relevant sites. So you've got a ranking of 19 that way. So then they've got a total of about 400. You look at the historic plus the fresh backlinks, they've got 400 votes voting for their site saying, hey, this site is relevant. Because external backlinks means that a link from another site is connecting to their site saying, hey, this site is legitimate. This site is legitimately putting out what it says it is. So this way, then you've got 19 on the trustful ratio, which is fairly high. And then we're going to look at your site here, Ground0gaming.com. You've got 308 historic plus 7 fresh, which means 315. So you've got nearly the same, but the relevance is not there. Relevance as far as the sites that you're linking from don't have as much to do with the gaming as before. You're linking from other ones there, Clown, Unknown Soldiers thread, so these are forums that you're part of. Game server might have a little bit of relevance, but it's not passing any of it on. Because like you look at the trustful that's coming off the site versus the trustful that's on the actual domain. All those aren't passing anything over to your site. So one of the easiest ways to get more backlinks, to get more votes, is to go on, as you were on forums, but also blogs. So you look at gaming blog comment 1 is one way to do it. Top 10 gaming blogs. You're gonna look at a bunch of these saying, okay, how to start a gaming blog. So people are teaching you how to do the actual blog there. But if you look at gaming blogs, so we'll go here. We're gonna do a little more specified query here, and comment 1. So then we're gonna look at this. Brings up more of a specific blog here. So then you're gonna go to the bottom here and see, okay, you're gonna make the comment being, so this will be Ground0gaming, and then you're gonna put in your email, example@email.com. I don't know what your email is, and this will be your name, Joe Smith. And then you're going to talk about, okay, well, what did you appreciate about this particular post? Just maybe two sentences, but then you can go in here and do something really interesting as far as coding wise. You're going to look at, it's called an anchor text backlink. This is an older site, and typically they'll allow it, but you're going to go for here. So you're going to allow it here, and then you're going to type in your website, which we'll just snag from right over here. So then you're going to go over to Ground0gaming.com, and you want your text to be what you want to appear for. So gaming computers, and I don't know how far you guys ship. You probably ship countrywide. So just gaming computers is what you want. So we make excellent gaming computers in South Dakota. And then you can ask for notifications and not, whatever. Then you're going to be, okay, create post. The URL you provide is unrecognized. Author URL. Whoops. So then you're going to go after, let's go to PC Gold, computers. Ground0gaming. We'll just grab your website here. 0 servers. Yeah, so your site's buried in there. Ground0gaming, custom PCs. Alright, so then you're going to go over to here. You're going to drop your URL in there. Going to create post. And see, then you've got a link to your site. We make excellent gaming computers in South Dakota. So then this is an okay. Confirm spam, please confirm the characters you see in the box. So then you're going to confirm post. Basically, that's the way it rolls. 403 forbid. So this is not a good site to drop a link on. It's not a helpful one. It's not a bad one. It's just not a helpful one. So that's just an example of using the blog commenting technique to increase the number of sites that you basically to increase your relevance, because you want to get on as many gaming blogs as you can and put a blog comment on there with your RF tag or your tag on there. So yeah, that's a little bit of SEO for you of how you can increase the attention that naturally comes to your site. I'm not sure if you're running PPC on it right now, but PPC is only going to get more expensive as time goes on and Facebook continues to monetize and so forth. So yeah, hope that was helpful. Bye now.